Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Tuesday. It's about 2:30 Eastern Time. Cotton market took a whale of a spanking today, although it did cut back some of those losses. We had no deliveries against the March, which was taken as a friendly thing yesterday, but today the market fell out of bed. Spot cash cotton closed at 86.22, down 170. The next delivery month was 87.35, down almost 200, and new crop was fared much better, 77.50, down about 70 points or so. Why the big break? Well, I don't think there's one particular fundamental out there. I can tell you that I think China published some not too robust economic numbers, which may have trickled into the cotton market. I know that the Shenzhen stock market and the Shanghai stock market have dropped about 3% in the last 2 or 3 days, so that may have affected it. And of course, you had what we call the 3 C's. That's cotton, crude oil, and copper were all down today. Those were the industrial markets. So nonetheless, cotton down, but new crop kind of held in there. The other thing is this: cotton has come up almost 14 cents off the dead low in November, and without any kind of a big break, and we sort of had a running correction or two, and I think this may be one of those. So tomorrow, hopefully we can get a little inside day and build a little value, maybe try to come back up one more time. Beans today put on still quite a show. We hit $14 in March beans. As a matter of fact, March beans made a life of contract high today. The old high was $13.96, I think, $13.97 back last September. And the market fell out of bed from there and has come all the way back up and looks pretty good to me. $14 psychological level. If we take that out, that'll be pretty interesting too. New crop November coming up to 11.70 today, so that's a little impressive. And we'll see, how the market handles that come tomorrow. Even corn today was a little stronger after being just in the doldrums for weeks on end. We're starting to see corn come up a little bit. Of course, we're coming into the end of the month. I've heard rumors of maybe some corn exports going on, so we'll see if that's the case or not. They may not show up on this Thursday's report, but certainly could show up in the next week or two. Even wheat today was able to overcome a pretty steep correction during the day to close slightly higher, and those are nice victories. Of course, as you know, March contracts, I say March wheat, March beans, March corn, all have their first delivery day, I think, on this coming Friday. So there'll be a lot of rolling about that. So we'll see. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.